Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kinas berkinong tray katanat kakot kakya jong ka Southwest Khasi Hills District. Kliyo ban plat pedba yu Dawai inject banyadai ke pang coronavirus. Beratip kum Covishield haka mini secretariat Corona Care Center light lau sang Mawkyrwat. Haka ni ka singi plat pedba yu Dawai lai inject ni kong yu Dr. FR Lartang ringkat bat sangut ki doktor bat kat kendangut pat ya kinong tray jong katanat kakot kakya.
Now, today we are taking a first step for COVID vaccination for all the healthcare workers from the CHC of Mawkyrwat, and soon we will launch phase 2 and 3 as per vaccine availability. So I would request all the healthcare workers to come forward and take this vaccine, because if you take this vaccine, then we would be expending our stock and would be getting more. So healthcare workers, in order for us to move forward with this vaccination program, I would request all of you to come. Banyawan ban shim ka vaccination kanaba kiweru kinyo ala namar dafi shim uwe vaccine ya utung in hab up adu arpupra sni bafin yo ti kumta terter de pilanan pendap pinang pendap ti kiweru kindo yo. So in our state in Meghalaya, as has been stated by doctor earlier, there are 1,350 healthcare workers who are vaccinated, and there were no major AEFI has been reported till date in the state. Now this goes to show the safety of the vaccine. I would, at the cost of repetition, I would like to say again that persons who are not supposed to take this vaccine are persons below 18 years of age, those who are pregnant, lactating mothers, and those who have allergic reaction to a previous dose of COVID-19 vaccine. Now, across the country, the total number of vaccinated workers is 7.86 lakhs, which I have said, and the fifth day of the vaccination program shows that this vaccine is safe, that there have been no serious cases reported from people who have taken this vaccine. And I would request all of you not to believe in hearsay. What net yekibrio kiba ong ba uni u vaccine ude ubasneo uni u vaccine ubandon ka side effect uni u vaccine uban pendon ki long term effects kabangin sa shitom hadien kerpan ya pi barakwat bapin ongru ya ki paralog jongfi iki bahayeng bah kisem knang bafin ya da ya lede bad ya ki bahayeng basem ki khlong ki rangba.
We are all lucky now to get this vaccine at this time, because we have been struggling too much during this past 1 year. As you have seen, in India it's a bit less, but comparing to the whole world, so many people have died because of this corona. But right now we are so lucky that at this moment we are still able to see this day and we are getting this vaccine. And currently in India, up to date, around 7,80,000 plus have been vaccinated till today. Only around 10 people got, they have some adverse effect, but that also we admit them just for 1 day or 2 days, just for observation. But there's no such case that is happening because of COVID-19 vaccine, which is very dangerous. But it is quite safe according to the government of India. And even now also we know for sure that, because until now the whole population of India is 7.9 lakh plus people have been vaccinated so far, and in Meghalaya also around 311 have been vaccinated so far, and there is no such case which is dangerous because of the vaccine. So we are sure that this vaccine is very safe, and we should encourage all the public also in the next, because right now the government of India have divided to give this vaccine into 3 phases. This is the phase 1, which will be focused mainly in the among the healthcare worker. That means those who is working under the health department. And the second phase will be among the frontline worker, including the police department, the municipal worker, and so on. And the third phase will be the local people. That is mainly the 50 years 50 years old, which is about 50 years old, and those who is less than 50 years old with some comorbidities like hypertension and diabetes. So right now we should understand that this vaccine is launching only for the health department right now, but maybe in the coming month we'll be getting for the frontline worker and maybe for the general public also.
Corona disease. Okay, so we have to show the strength, and as per the literature available from Government of India also, that this vaccine is quite safe and it is effective also. So there is no need to have any hesitancy or something on this. So I'll request all to take with full confidence. Thank you.